My name is Godfred Kilo. I'm a teacher at Maranda High School. I teach computer studies, but I've been in robotics since 2017 when it was launched by CEMASTEA. We are focusing on robotics because it's a branch of computer science that deals with the design of the devices that mimic human expert. So the Science and Engineering Fair partnered with CEMASTEA to bring this thing down, to scale it down so that the robotics principles or robotic learning or machine learning can be brought down to students at secondary levels. You look at in developed countries, this is something that is brought under junior secondary or grade 1, grade 2, 3, 4. But at our level, it's not really structured. But I want to appreciate the government. The new curriculum is talking about robotics in senior school, in grade 12 and grade 11. I think what normally happens is that the inventions that the students usually come up with are not ending anywhere after the national. But of late, the CEMASTEA have been trying to patent these products so that the students, the original owners of the ideas, actually get something or own their property. And this is why they are also coming up with this, so that if a good idea is nurtured and the students are able to showcase it and they are able to prove it, then they can partner it and then it becomes the original work of the student and they can earn something of it. And besides earning, then it's because of the robotics, this can also make solve problems that we have in the society. So CEMASTEA is very handy on this.
Our project is known as the Shadow Chaser, is able to help in emergency responses since robots work tirelessly and they are very efficient and they work under normal circumstances and the time taken for the robot to work is very minimal. Yeah, so that's what motivated us towards the project. In setups such as hospitals, deliveries to hospitals. Yeah, so deliveries to hospitals, the robot delivers within shortest time possible compared to now the human labor when you bring about drivers and all that. I'm seeing myself, let's say for example, 10 years to come, other than us making the robot from the kit provided by the CEMASTEA, I'm seeing myself building now my own robot from scratch and programming it to do various tasks.
The main difference between what we created and what the other schools created is the fact that we created the Clawbot. We created the design called the Clawbot, as you've seen earlier in the video. This design is where the claw is above the brick, which is the brain of the whole robot. So we use that since it could raise loads efficiently. I see myself as a successful individual because of robotics. We plan on implementing our idea to help solve our world problems. An issue that you've not addressed is the fuel problems. Over the past 4 years, there's been a rise in fuel prices, which is not only felt by the drivers and vehicle operators, but the whole nation. So if we implement this, we succeed in implementing it on a large scale. If adopted, if we implement it on a large scale, it will help solve major world issues.